The allegation that Riya Chakrabarti may have purchased illegal substances and that she was potentially in contact with those dealing with such banned items has caused huge turmoil in the Sushant Singh Rajput case. Riya Chakrabarti, Shruti Modi, Jaya Saha and Dipesh Sawant are now likely to be summoned by the CBI team investigating the case. These controversial chats have come to light after the Enforcement Directorate probing money laundering charges against Riya and her brother came across these interactions and informed the CBI as well as the NCB. Every day seems to bring new revelations in the Sushant Singh Rajput demise case. There were accusations of spiritual healing and possible delays by a forensic team. And now comes chats between two parties that indicate at possible purchase and consumption of illegal substances, which only seem to complicate the case further. Now, all of this puts light on what exactly was happening in Sushant's house just days before his passing. Here's the story. The NCB director Rakesh Asthana told a publication, "We received a letter from ED on Tuesday morning stating that during their probe into the financial aspects, they found that the drug was supplied to Riya and Sushant. An NCB team will now conduct an inquiry and people involved will be questioned." Times Now, which has accessed these deleted chats, has alleged that Riya was in contact with and purchased narcotic substances and was in touch with at least 3 different people in this regard. One of these people is suspected to be Samuel Miranda, जिसके साथ हुए chats में Riya has been asked to pay 17,000 rupees for 2 bags of a substance. While there are interactions with other individuals who have currently been identified as Gaurav Arya, a suspected dealer in banned substances, and Jaya Saha, who is reported to be Riya's talent manager. Riya's chat with who we suspect is Samuel Miranda also refers to his house help Dipesh, who seems to be felicitating this purchase of substances. A message from Samuel Miranda to Riya Chakrabarti reads, "Hi, you can give Dipesh 17,000 rupees for 2 bags of the drug. One for us and another for him, and he will transfer it to you." Replying to Miranda, Riya says, "Yeah, we could." While Riya's chats with Gaurav Arya make reference to several banned substances, Jaya's message to Riya reads, "Use 4 drops in coffee, tea or water and let him sip it. Give it 30 to 40 minutes for it to kick in." There are some reports that the drops being referred to are of a particular oil that is derived from a narcotic substance. Riya's brother Shovik is also mentioned in the chats, with an acquaintance of his being mentioned as a source of illegal substances. Following this discovery of deleted controversies by the ED, we hear that the CBI will summon Riya Chakrabarti, Shruti Modi, Jaya Saha and Dipesh Sawant and question them in relation to Sushant's demise and also question them over this new development involving possible narcotics-related charges. While these allegations are of a very serious nature, the truth about whether these substances were actually purchased and for whom they were purchased will hopefully be determined by the CBI very soon.